Welcome everyone in the year of 2023. Wishing you happy new year. And sadly, we would like to notice that our last video, which probably was one of the most important videos of our channel, was only viewed in very low numbers. So what we did in our last video that we recommend you to watch is we have predicted that probably, according to Bitcoin cycles, we are at the lowest price levels for this cycle. So that means that we shouldn't see any Bitcoin below 16,000 again. And today we have, let's have a look, Bitcoin at a healthy $18,915 and going up. So cycles, as always, work and work well. Ethereum is at 1427. And what happened? Obviously, also economic data magically aligns with Bitcoin cycles, and we have CPI inflation in the United States at only 6.5%. So inflation is falling, and it's falling fast. So all good news. Solana has recovered from $9 in December when we told you that you may take some position in Solana, in Avalanche, in Ethereum, because it may be an interesting entry as a cycle low. Now we have Solana almost doubled in price, which is really, really interesting. So today's video will be more generally about cycles, because cycles do not only exist in cryptocurrencies, cycles also exist in many, many other instruments. And one of the best people to teach you about cycles is a top world trader, Larry Williams. He even taught his daughter how to trade strategies mostly based on cycles, and she won a number of trading tournaments. He's one of the guys that everybody knows is making money instead of somebody claiming he's making money. So cycles are very important. I think cycles for long-term trading, long-term view, will give you the clearest picture. And then, if you know that cycle tells you that we should be around low or we should be around top, then you can look at your indicators and momentum indicators and try to perfect your entry. That's what happened with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in December. Sorry. So you could check a number of momentum indicators were showing that you should be buying at the moment, and cycles were telling you that we are at the low of Bitcoin. If we go lower, you never know, maybe, but according to cycles, we shouldn't. So what Larry says? Larry says that it is hard not to be bullish in 2023. Why? Because if you look at history, not only cycles now, but if you look at market history, but not last 5 years, last 10 years, since 1942 when he was born, he said that market was down 21 years out of 80. Of the 80 years, only 2 times did we see declines of 2+ years in a row. And that's only 2.6% of the years. So those people that are calling S&P at 2,800 or Bitcoin at 12,000, 10,000, the probability of that, looking at history plus cycle theory, is really, really thin. So you can be negative and what those people telling you that, and that may obviously happen, but statistically it will be a venom and it has very low probability of happening. We do recommend going on his website, ireallytrade.com. Why? Because Larry Williams has a nice prediction for year 2023. So according to him, on his website you can see a video. He also has a channel. You can see on his channel that prediction is on his YouTube channel. We should, in 2023, we should be going up now. So the cycle low for equities was around December 2022. Oops, same as Bitcoin. And now we should be going up to around April. Obviously, he's not telling you how he built his cycle indicator. He will not share that because he's making money on it. So why should he sell that? So if you guys are buying some strategies that are making money or claiming that they're making money, they are not, because nobody would sell a strategy or a bot or whatever that makes money. They will just run the bot and make money from the bot. So if they sell the bot does not make any money. So remember that. Lesson number 1 for 2023. Do not buy anything. Instead, invest your money in either crypto, equities, wherever you prefer. So we're going up, according to cycle analysis by Larry, we're going up until April. Then we may stall, and we should have first weakness around August 2023. So if you have that in your head, it's much easier to buy or to build your portfolio. So if we know that we should be going up the next almost 4 months, every dip is a nice buy for us. And then around July maybe, we would be looking to take some profits. But what he's predicting also is that we should end the year on the positive side. So that means if that crash, if it will be a crash or just correction in August, we should use it as well to entry the market. So that's Larry for you. There's more people that are using cycles, so we do recommend studying those people, but start with Larry because he's the most known. He's proven to be profitable, and clearly he's the easiest to find. Just go on his website, ireallytrade.com. Then you can see forecast, and you can see that video forecast for 2023. So you can see so much knowledge, and we are just in January on the first video on our channel, Future Crypto Investing. So do give us a like, do comment, so more people can see that content. We will obviously bring you some more information as we go through 2023. In the next video, if we're going to continue in the nice and positive way, we're going to try to wait for the pullback and re-entry on some altcoins. We may share some altcoin tips. We'll see how it goes. For now, we would like to wish you a very profitable 2023. And remember, listen only to people that make money, not to people that shout aloud. See you at the next video.